Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a magical fairy wand. So all you need is a hot glue gun stick, but it shouldn't be hot. It doesn't have to be. We might need some tape, and it even says magical tape right here. A paintbrush, scissors, and some, where's my paint? Oh, right here. And some paint. You can use any colors you want. This one's up there and mixed up. When I was like a little kid. So we're gonna switch this tape out with this tape. It's just gonna be way much easier. So the first step, we're gonna wrap this tape. Okay, yeah. So first, let me just find the edge. Oh! Oopsies. Okay. Just gonna keep on wrapping it around. You want to make it like in thick layers. It's okay if it just keeps on going down. It's fine because we're gonna have to wrap this whole thing because this is like all gonna be the handle. So like we might just use color paint on the handle for it doesn't like make your hand pop. Let me think of right here. And now you're gonna use more tape. But let's do a little less this time because that wrapped around like 6 times for me. And you want to make sure you're doing this tape or like you can do this tape, but like it could be like a different color. So you're just gonna repeat the steps on to the next one. Okay, so now we only have one more to go. Excuse me. You know what? That second one does not look so good. Yeah, it's all crumbly and stuff. I think I'm gonna cut the last one off because it wasn't so good. Just looks really messy. I'm just go out with the end and starts. Oh, here we go. So we're just gonna unwrap that one, and this is gonna be our first one. I'm only gonna wrap one piece of tape. It's my fault. Throw that over there. Okay, bye. And I have one more piece to go. That one was a little crappy. I can't get this piece off. Not helping. Okay, so we did it. Now we're gonna get our paintbrush. And we are going to pick a color. I'm going to pick... I have a good idea, but it might not work out so good. But I'm going to try to use 2. So if you guys have these kind of brushes, I think I got them at Target or Amazon, so go shopping for them soon. Okay, that's just a little heads up. Now we're gonna continue painting, and I'm not gonna do this. Oh my god. hope this is dry. Okay, then you're just gonna paint like a little bit. You don't have to do like so much layers, just want to like not be clear. You just don't want it to be clear, so I'm just wrapping it around with some pink. You can wrap it as any color as you want. And when we're doing this, make sure to subscribe and click the thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And if you want to see another one of my YouTube videos, click the link below and it's gonna show my channel. So that's just a little heads up. If you didn't like this video, it's fine. Just leave a comment and say you should do like a different craft because this one's kind of boring. Agree with that one. Okay, I'm done with this. So I can just hang that on the tape. Okay, now I want you guys to go get 2 color markers. I'm gonna use blue and pink. And if you have to pause the video, that is fine. It's okay. Now you're gonna try to just color where you want to color on the tape. I already got it on the wand. Okay, so I'm just gonna color one side pink and the other side blue. It's gonna be such a good idea. So for people have them these days. Okay. Now we did it. It's like a little magical wand. Okay, next step is to let this dry. So I have lots of Legos over here, so I'm gonna let it dry on one of them. I know it's a weird idea. Just gonna find an opening in the Lego, and it's just gonna stay there and dry for a little bit. I'm gonna use my ship. And I get these, and my ship, I got it from Target, so go shopping there soon. Okay, now we just need to clean up a little. I'm gonna go put this in the sink. So when I'm doing that, start cleaning up so it can be easy. I washed it. Now let's put this away, my paint away. Some more over. No, this is wasting our time, bud. So okay, so for the stand, you wanna have a nice painting that we made. So mine's gonna kind of be this I made. I don't have a video of it, but that stuff is just kind of weird. So we're gonna use the palm side. Let me just take this palm leaves off. So you don't need them, and they're just hot glued, and now they're everywhere. Oof. that worked. Now we did that. So now you want to take a code. Maybe like, you know what? That's a bad idea. So you're gonna like want to do this with pom-poms. Look at that. And it's gonna be like a snow fairy for me. So this is gonna be easy. So yeah. Oh, here's a good idea. So you might want to use these. So I'm gonna just clip them. But if you don't have them, you can like use your imagination and use something that I don't have. That's fine. And so like we're gonna kind of like put them next to each other. Like this. Now, last step, this, ZDK. I'm not sure what that stands for, but DK, like descendants. Okay, our wand has dried. So now this is how you're gonna do it. So then you're just gonna slide it in and do it like that. Now you have a stand for a wand. You have a wand for a stand. So come see me at my other videos. It's gonna be so much fun. And
breakfast is ready.
just look at this wand. You guys made this creation, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.